Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so and then you did the kind of the ATM ya mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia be on so we a notification and as an new said the betum bia when you be ati and as when you be ahwe GCN page ha midin de Addo searching. Afia Pokia Vim Lady journalist Ghana hanom na Odini Juma ewo FM. Ono ena hosti program a watu ni din jaso na ewo jaso dwumadi so no Afia Pokia efre Ghana fo a omo outside ena mpo Ghana fo omo Ghana hanom ya na omo ebetro mo adwen ewo ni program ne so o de commenting so ba oberidi na one Boris Mensa ma comment bi efa his excellency na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne ho na comment no enye kura nti enam so na Afia Pokia akeka na dwen e de acha brante na o chesa brante no akese ne ho na empose na Addo eye ni busuani a ankasese ode no ehwehwa ne ho chese asem okache na Addo wanka ne yie kura na Ghana youth ni bi omo social media no so omo embuade a omo fa camera esi mu omo so a na omo di Ghana for ateme no. It's about time so omo jai because enchire obukra his excellency na Addo danko Akufo Addo yempo oda so president empo se na membu ene enkoye ya ye ni choice biase ye betwen till 2024 na ya to aba na se NPP ne be yomo afiri ho na ye de NDC ana se any party bia beba because yen na yes yen pe na Addo na membu but say sie nko ade na Addo eda so yen president enti mo amumbu ade am social media ende na mudi na Addo atem no mo hwe na mo jai Afia Pokia ni bofui pa na adafo commenter Boris Mensa ede eba no yentie o chese you can't have a human being like Akufo Addo and think of anything called progress as a country. Akufo Addo is just born immature and bad as well. Enti ensem say en abranti etro ewo Afia Pokia ni post asia enam so a Afia Pokia nso ni bufu yo kaka na dwen e de etre abranti anya asem keto akwa na do fie ntie ensem a Afia Pokia ekai
Mensa, see if you can have Boris Mensa and Pacho. You see, the president is umpo. What apart from politics, he's Obi Papa, 78 years. Meaning so Papa bet made 78. Sometimes we should respect people and take politics out. You may not like the president, but to come and write that if you can't have a human being like Addo, seriously. Oh, Addo or Webusiema, you be the first person to be bragging about him. And you don't use politics to denigrate somebody's father. Or somebody's mother. Oh, the cancer Addo is not a good leader. Addo is not this. Addo has failed people. Addo has disappointed. Say that you are allowed. But if you come and write on my say you have a human being like Addo, Jesus. Now, you are even cursing yourself. And Boris Mensa, you are cursing yourself. You are cursing yourself. Go to you say you even live to 60, no about 78. Don't insult anybody's father or me in my program. Otia me papa odi 17 po anka meda nyankopon ase odi 17 po a kameda nyankopon ase so ti wheelchair mu po na ko odi 70 anka I'll thank God for that. So don't come and insult anybody's father on my program or anybody's madam Pachonya Abuche. Criticize the person. He's not a good leader. We Ghana for Sika. You say all those allegations, but to come and insult and denigrate somebody's father, say Addo or Webusiema ka o de beje fans. Or Wabusiema, the same goes for Mahama and other leaders. Do not use politics to denigrate somebody's father and make it personal. Who didn't attempt? Are you serious? Who da wunda sumiyaso? And how did you know mkwai? Fire burn you pa. What they saying? Boris Mensa, you have cursed yourself. You have cursed you. Nigeria Nibeka said, you go down, thunder punish your mouth. Thunder punish that in your fingers now. The type person. Don't do that. Obi Papa, you can have your say, but don't come and insult anybody's father on my program. How dare you? What you say? Oh, me Papa has in already 70 grand come to party to celebrate him. How dare you? You think you can just use social media to come and insult anybody's father? Politics, no, politics. So you may not like, and it's not by force. America fought to about not everybody like Biden, and you'll be a pet Trump as him. You cannot like, you may not like him, and you have a right. You have a right not to like him. Open Mahama, bingo. Mahama winning elections, bingo, everybody umpo. When he wins the election, he becomes the commander-in-chief and the father of the nation. Chani salute. To me, he's the president. Now, until 2028, 2024, I bet to Abano. Nanado and a president. Give him that respect. Or you'll be papa. What the on your president to cry? What to me, I be a lawyer or turn a how dare you? How dare you? Small boys are multi social media. You think you can just come use somebody's, and this is my platform. You will not come and use my platform to bloody perpetuate your insult. Fire burn you. And I make you have cursed yourself. I mean, you'll be man can make my domino. You mean you'll be Tino.
4 years. Would they do some? Now, what catch Mahama say? Would you see Yentia more cry? You bet you more my power no. Now, Oma Kwasan sign contract ya. Ghana ni power wunye yusu where you may go. Would ya tax ya? Ye di tia car power. Siwa Sikano, a big take for her, Nebia by NDC for Butum. They cared about Ghana. Yet, for some purpose, NDC sat in Ghana for Ghana businesses to collapse and they do so. When President Akufo had a challenge with power, he found a way. Atamils had a little shake, he found a way. When Ofoswampo Mahama came and found him, so they met Ghanaian people, slept in Dumso for 4 years. All they kept telling you was, "Oh, charge you phone dodo. Ghana for mu dodo. Ghana for mu complaining too much. Stop using iPhones." This was the country that the so-called National Demonic Congress governed, supported by Ofoswampo. He was a minister at a point. He said his government cared about Ghanaians. Yet his government looked at the little kids who were sleeping under trees or schooling under trees. The little kids whose school ceiling has been taken off by the wind, and took $3 million, took it to Brazil to go and give it to players who are already rich, who most of them donate their money already. Or for some people say, they think about Ghana, yet they look Professor Mills in the eyes for what he even said was too much money, so they shouldn't pay. NDC of Swampofo, Eshe Ghana for common again. I'm Fahuan Yeshe. Esaini Sika, Edma Wayumi, Emaniku D. Of Swampofo say, or no to way not buying bar, almost Ghana for him. Yet they went to sign STC Korea, the STS, Korea deal. Cost us millions of dollars. Yes. As for your party, mule, when you tell them this, they will clap for you. But some of us who know your track records, forget it, would expose you. Or for some people say, or no na person na papa bi me be ye no adwuma next week na me adom na me nya time a. Your friend Erikopoku, a Greek minister. May be exposed because Andra no wa parliament can say big na me say a Greek minister we only. It was under President Mahama. Yes, and it's a fact. Erikopoku as a Greek minister, they cared about Ghana. Yet a Greek ya ye didi ye nanano mo adapam eno ana no mu didi ye nanano mo afuo ya nanano mo ye eduru Mahama nko apen so obedi president what the banchi shas asiase na ahye. Bayire kofie na abebo a wo de bayire no behye mu nko na nkusi atu akowe ebro na abedu a wo bra na ntetesi so ama o ma wini ni nara under President Mahama. Every year $2 million. Yeah, the crab bro just in Africa here. I know Africa the enquire. Oh, for some powerful claims say when they are in power, they don't think about their stomach. Yet, Phyllis Ofosukwache, according to His Excellency late Jerry John Rawlings, was able to spend $3 million cash to purchase 2 brand new houses after they have lost an election. And they care about Ghana. For some people, God should forgive you for making you an elder. Or for some people, claim to Ghanaian and say, "One more bar, bemo, and this is Jenny. And mine own no junior moon to this time, double bedroom, margin from day." Or for some people, now more Jenny Ghana for whom you guys collapsed over 88 microfinance people. You didn't pay one person a peso. You cared about the Ghanaian business person.